sure to subscribe to my channel. I love you. This is Adenike Studio, and I promise to give you more juicy content. I love you. Bye.
I created the video and the pictures you just watched using completely free AI tool. Yes, you heard me right, completely free. You don't need to pay, you don't need to subscribe. In fact, you don't even need to sign in for you to use it. Yes, that's how free and completely easy it is. You know, right here, I don't gatekeep. I will take your hand and I will teach you like I'm teaching a 2-year-old child. Yes, I will teach you like I'm teaching a 2-year-old child. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you how to do that real quick. What you will do is, you come to your browser here. So, you search for Vheer AI. So, you see it right here. You see this one where I'm moving my mouse that says AI image to video generator. You click on it. You click on that. So it will take you to this beautiful surface right here. And trust me, you can use this website on your Android, on your iPhone, your computer and your laptop, whichever one you want to use. So let's continue. So when you see this surface right here, I told you don't need to sign up. Yeah, you can sign up if you want, but you can still use it without signing up. So what we're going to do is, let's start with text to image. Yeah, you click on this text to image right here. You click on it, then you see the AI text to image where I'm moving my mouse. You click on it. So it's going to take you to this very beautiful surface right here. What you're going to do is, you scroll down, then you see this generate image from text. Yes, you click on it. So it's going to bring this surface out. What you're going to do is, you see this box right here by the right where I'm moving my mouse, where it says steampunk, flying bicycle in the air, blah blah blah. So you are going to click on it, but before you get here, you should have generated your prompt. But don't worry, let me show you how I generated my own prompt. So what I do is, I go to ChatGPT, but I already generated the prompt so as not to waste your time. So let's use this one. Let me copy it. I'll read it out for you to get it. So I'll copy the prompt, come back into the box right here, and paste it. What the prompt basically said is, a cool giant golden cat in 3D cartoon style. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the prompt in the description box as an example. So after pasting it right there, what you're going to do now is, you come down, you see where it says aspect ratio. Yeah, you come to where it says 1 by 1. So you are going to select the ratio that works for you. For YouTube it's usually 16 by 9, but for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and even YouTube Shorts, you should choose something like 9 by 16. Do you get? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select 16 by 9, which is for YouTube. Do you understand? So let's select 16 by 9. So after selecting our aspect ratio, what we're going to do is, you come down here and click on generate. Yes, you click on generate. So you allow it to process. It's not going to take much of your time. Yes, trust me, it's not going to take much of your time. So you are going to wait for it to generate. So once it's done generating, you see how beautiful it is, and it's very, very accurate. So it is done generating. See how beautiful this looks. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You just have to be, you have to make your prompt full with whatever you want. Yes, so you see how beautiful it is exactly what I want. Yes, so what I'm going to do right now, for you to download or save it to your device, what you're going to, even if you are using a phone, a mobile device, you will see this arrow right here. So you click on this arrow up here, automatically it will be downloaded onto your device. So let's try another prompt. So for you to generate another image, what you're going to do is, you highlight this one, delete it, go back to wherever you have your prompt. I'm using ChatGPT. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I generated one up here. So I'll copy my prompt. You come back inside the box right here, you paste your prompt, then come down again. The aspect ratio will still be the same thing. So what you're going to do is just click on create. So click on generate rather. You wait for it to generate as well. It's not going to take much of your time, I promise you. So it is done generating. Let's see how that looks like. Oh my, this is very okay. Like, I love the prompt. Says a joyful elderly Nigerian grandmother is sitting comfortably on a soft cushion chair. I'm going to drop this prompt as well. I'm going to drop it in the description box so you can check it out if you want to. So what you will do again is come up here, click on this download button up, just click on it. Stephanie, nothing too much. It's very simple. You see that how simple it is. So if you want to generate another one, maybe you have much image you want to generate, you just repeat the same process. You delete, highlight, delete, go and copy your prompt, then come back, paste it, hit generate, and that's all. That's how simple. You see how simple that is. So let me show you how to generate. You can generate from image to image. So what you will do is you click on this image to image right here where I'm moving my mouse. You click on it, you select this image to image generator, you click on it, so it will bring it to this surface right here where it says generate image from image. What you just do is click on it, then it will bring you right here. You click on this upload your image and select whatever image you want to work with. That's just how simple it is. After selecting it, you just come down right here and click on generate. That's how simple. Just repeat the process if you want to generate much. So let's go to image to video, right? So you will come up here where it says image to video. You select it, then you see this generate video from image. You click on it, then it will bring you to this surface right here. You click on this upload your image. You click on it, then select the image you want to work with. That's how simple and easy it is. Let's use the old woman we generated earlier. So what we are going to do right now is, so you see this basic image prompt, yeah? You click inside the box, paste your prompt inside. Yes. So I already have my prompt generated by ChatGPT. What I will just do is, you see, video prompt. Let me just copy that. Then I'll come back here. Then inside the box right here, you click inside, then paste your prompt. Yeah. So this camera prompt here, it's optional. You can, to me, it's not worth it. Just leave it. I've used it before, but it's not working. Just leave it. So after pasting your basic image prompt, what you will do is you scroll down right here. You're going to click on generate. It's not going to take much of your time, trust me, but the video generation takes time than the image generation. Hope you understand that. So we are going to wait for it to generate. So once it's done generating, we'll move right ahead. So it is done generating. Let's see how that looks like. It's okay. It's okay. So what we're going to do right now is to save it to our device. So you see this arrow up here, this download button. You click on it, it's going to save to your device. So if you want to generate another image to video, what you will do is, for you to continue, you come back to see this image to video right up here. You click on it, it will take you to the surface again. You click on this generate video from image. You repeat the same process, upload your image. After uploading your image, so you click on generate. Once the video is done generating, you go back up, you click on the download button up. Do you get? After clicking on the download button, you can repeat the same process. Do you understand? So, and don't forget to input your image prompt whenever you want to generate. Do you understand? And you might be asking, for the video generation, what about aspect ratio? You see, the aspect ratio of your picture, that's what will work for you. If you upload 19 by 16, that's the aspect ratio of your video. And if you upload 16 by 19, that's the aspect ratio of your video. Hope you understand. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and stay around, because the next video I'm going to be generating is how to make those image talk. Yes, we are going to make them talk. They are going to talk. Yes. So stay around, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and drop your question in the comment section. Bye.